Jim's Cleaning Franchise, domestic and commercial, Hervey Bay, Queensland. The name alone should be enough to put in your best offer for this successful business. One of the longest running franchises in Australia, Jim's is the name customers know and trust. This home-based business offers a consistent income, low overheads, no rent to pay, and tax benefits. Servicing Hervey Bay with 2,000 homes in the Urangan area, clients are on weekly, fortnightly, and monthly rosters. The business can be operated from any location on the Fraser Coast, and you choose your working hours. You'll receive a week's training at Jim's Training Centre, and cleaning equipment is included and in good order. Established for 6 years, this business has shown continued growth to be a good income producing business for a family or couple. There's potential to grow the business by employing staff to meet the ever-growing demand and increasing services provided.